Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here. I am working my way through an old TI Basic programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. I'm up to program number 85, which is Super Moving Illusion, as opposed to program 84 previously, which was Regular Moving Illusion. I'm going to read the brief program description, get into TI Basic and the Classic 99 emulator, type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, let's get into TI Basic. This is the TI-99 4A start screen. Press any key to begin. Press 1 for TI Basic. Let's read the program description. If you liked tip number 84 above, you'll love this one. Here the background color changes as well as the color of the lines. Very striking. I'm sure it's a striking program. So 10, did I see randomized? Yep, 10 randomized to start. That ensures that every time the program is run, we get a different combination. Okay, 20, call clear. 30, call CHAR. 128, we're defining a custom character here, and it looks like we have 16 Fs. That basically is a square block, turns all 8x8 pixels in this custom character on, so it's just a solid block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There we go. 40, SC equals integer of 16 times R in D. Okay. 50. If SC is less than 3, then 40. That basically avoids transparent and black. Okay, 60, call screen SC. 70, CL equals integer, probably same thing, 17 times R in D actually, okay. If CL is less than 3, then 70. 90. Call color. Okay, that's character group 13. Then foreground and background color, so CL, comma SC. CL, comma SC. 100 for L equals 1 to 24. 110. Print. Okay, it's the same line we had in the last program. Print tab L. Excuse me. Semicolon CHR string 128. So we're going to get a similar series of diagonal lines as last time. Actually the same lines, just different colors. 120, next L. And 130, go to 40. Before we run it, let's clear the screen, list the program, and while it's scrolling we're looking for syntax errors, math errors, typos, anything of the sort. At a glance, it looks pretty good, so let's go ahead and run the program. See what we get. And here we go. Get every ever-changing series of colors here. Lots of fun. The TI-99 has some cool color combos. I like the color palette of this system greatly. This would be a fun screensaver. screensavers before they had a name, you know. Just taking a few screenshots while this is running. It's not a great contrast one. Okay, there we go. There's one where it's the same foreground and background color. There we go. Yeah, some of these colors don't have great contrast. Like that one. Another same foreground and background color. Would have been nice to code around that. Prevent that from happening. It'd be easy to do. Probably just have to add one little if-then line. You know, if the foreground color is the same as the background color, then generate a new random number. That one looks pretty good. It's for Christmassy. Make a little candy cane pattern maybe with this. That'd be fun. Yeah, I kind of like that one, so candy stripes. Oh, there's another example of the same foreground and background color. That's a good color. Let's do that one. There we go. All right, well, you get the idea. That is Super Moving Illusion, program number 85 from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. If you happen to be watching this after the fact on my YouTube channel, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under CozyAzeroth, which is my handle on Twitch, a little nod to my favorite game, World of Warcraft, or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you happen to be watching this on Twitch live, same thing, please check out my YouTube channel for all the above. And if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to check out my Twitch channel under CozyAzeroth for live streams and all the above. And if you happen to catch me streaming live, say hi in the chat or participate as you see fit, especially if you're familiar with this old system, the TI-99 4A. And in any case, I appreciate likes and follows and subscriptions especially, which help me out greatly in these troubling and challenging financial times. I will be back soon, probably within the next 15 minutes or so, for the next program in this book, Giant Clock Exercise. So if you're watching this live on Twitch, stay tuned. I'm going to be starting and stopping the stream periodically as I get set up to do another video. I want to make these one video at a time for one program at a time. I'm doing all 101 programs from this book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. And I'm almost there, program number 85. So we're well over 3/4 of the way there, and I'm going to try to crank out as many as I can over the next little while. So anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next video with the next program. Thanks for watching.